Yo, this is so cool. Also, what the fuck are we even doing?
Want daily tech news in a way that doesn't suck?
Of course you do.
Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode.
Hi, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Front Page Tech, of course, show that gives you all latest tech news. One geek that is me, to another that is you. Happy Thursday. Hope you're doing great. 4th day in a row. We're going 4 days strong now. Motorola just had their event. I just watched it. They had it at the weirdest time of night. Anyway, let's talk about the folding Razr doohickey thing. All right, so after being leaked 4 months now, here it is. The MOTO RAZR, the Motorola Razr. It's back. Hello, 2004. I mean, even the event itself felt like 2004 all over again. Look at this shit. It successfully captures the look and feel of the phone that we all wished that we had back in the day. Maybe you did have it. For those of you that did, I'm sure you all are jizzing in your pants over this right now. I mean, look at this. This is fucking cool. The technology that makes this even possible is amazing. I mean, folding tech like this as it is, it's just amazing that we can do this with technology. I think the most impressive thing to me, though, when it comes to this new again, MOTO RAZR is that hinge, or rather, how the hinge works. So it sort of pulls the display in as you close the device, as you bend it or fold it back up. It pulls the display in a bit and curls it along the hinge, and that gives us two things. Number one, when it's open, it allows the phone to pretty much lay completely flat. And number two, while it doesn't completely solve the whole creasing problem that we have with foldable devices nowadays, it's not as bad as the others, at least from what we can tell right now. And the entire phone effectively snugs around that display when it's closed to protect it. And that's really cool. I mean, it is absolutely amazing to be able to see this exist. But also, what the actual see how it's closed here? Wonderful, great. And after you spend your money and unfold this piece of nostalgia goodness, all you end up with is this. A much shittier version of this, and it took you a whole extra step just to get to this part. At least with other folding phones, like the Galaxy Fold, for example, you get more in exchange for the folding part. When you unfold it, you get more screen, more room. You get more than you could fit in your pocket before. And before you're like, but John, you don't understand the future. I love this. Hush, shut up. Don't say anything. Just spare me, please. None of you are gonna buy this. Maybe 10 of you watching this right now are actually going to put the money down and purchase this thing. Go ahead, you can tell me how cool it is because you love watching YouTube videos about it. Woo, fancy technology, woo! But also, this is not a better alternative to what we already have, what we already use. This right here is just happening because humans got bored. We got bored. You've heard me say it over and over again. Smartphones are not boring. You are just bored. And this is what happens when humans are bored. We make goofy ass shit. While I'm glad Motorola made it and I'm glad that it exists, we gotta be real here. This is not the future. This is nothing crazy. It just, woo, Motorola did a thing again. Look, woo, look, we did a thing. You remember that thing that we did back in the day? We did it again. It's here again. Here it is. Okay, listen. I know I joke, but I get it. It's cool. It's a cool piece of nostalgia. But at the end of the day, this would have been better as a fucking Burger King toy. Hey kids, remember the Razr phone? Of course not, because you weren't born yet. But now, when you purchase a King Jr. meal, you get a little piece of nostalgia right in the box. It's plastic, just like the rest of our toys. Don't press the screen too hard though, or get dust near it, because it'll fucking break. Limited time offer, standard bullshit rates may apply. What? I'm not wrong. See you tomorrow.